Morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Pad 5 and let me show you how to check total screen time. So first of all, let's enroll the settings. Now locate digital well-being and parental controls. And here you've got kind of basic statistics. So you've got categories here, you can smoothly check it, like just the generals. However, if you want to know a bit more, if you want to check particular apps, just click in the middle of the screen and here you've got the whole statistics. Let's pick, for example, phone or settings, whatever, and here you can check screen time, notifications received or times opened. Then you can check it daily or hourly. So that's it. This is how you can keep an eye on time spent on screen. It's super important, so use it as often as you need. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.